flowers. Plantation offers this beauty nestled in a cul-de-sac in Peachtree/welcoming front porch /study/formal dining West handsome wainscotting /spacious breakfast room and gourmet kitchen West gas cooktop, double ovens, center island and pantry /20 by 16 owner suite offers separate vanities and large soaking tub /3 additional bdrms and laundry on second floor /bedroom, full bath and bonus on third floor /over 3,500 square feet of living area means plenty of space to spread out. The Pineville Club offers pools, fitness center and tennis.